Hello everyone, this is the demonstration how to change ink cartridges for the Canon MG3120, and we're gonna do it now together. This is first time I'm doing it, and it shouldn't be complicated, it should be very easy. I just got the cartridges. I bought extra large 240 extra large. For this printer, it's a black cartridge. They say that it's gonna last 2 times more than regular cartridge if you buy extra large. So this should be a simple task. You should turn printer on. As you can see, my black ink is gone, doesn't work properly. So you should take this tray down, paper tray. And then here you can see the cartridge is moving at the moment. We have to wait for the cartridge to come in the position here. So once cartridge is here, you can see on this side is the color cartridge and on the right side is the black cartridge. We're just gonna change the black cartridge at this time, as I didn't buy the color cartridge at the moment. I don't need it. So you firmly push down the cartridge holder and you can take cartridge out. This is the old cartridge, doesn't work anymore. And then now we have a new cartridge. I'm just gonna open it, it's brand new. As you can see, black new cartridge comes with a protective orange tape that you just take it down, and you're not supposed to touch this. So now we're gonna go back to the printer. This is black cartridge. It's easily to slide in place where it used to be. Push it a little bit so it goes properly, and that's pretty much it. Now we install the black cartridge for this Canon printer called Pixma model. Number is MG3120, and as you can see now, black ink is well. We are pretty much ready to print. Printer is gonna do something to regulate everything, so it was very easy. Couple second job, everybody can do. Have a good rest of the day.